how to log in to Deezer app. So if you want to log into your Deezer app, then first of all install the application, and once you've installed, you can open up your Deezer application. And after opening, now you can continue with your email, or you can continue with your Google or Facebook. So I'll be choosing continue with email, and here you need to enter your email address and then tap on continue. And here you need to enter your password to log in. So if you forgot your password, then you can go for login without password, and you can open up your mail to log in. So if you don't remember your password, then you can use this option. Open up your mail that you have used to create your account, and here you will have login now. Tap on that, and that's it. That's how you log into your Deezer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.